Welcome to Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn how can we convert our PDF file into Word file by using online converter and by using manual method. And stay around because you'll be able to convert your PDF file into Word file in a matter of seconds after watching this tutorial. Let's dive in. For example, I have this file ESV79. This is PDF file. If I just double click to show you what's inside the file. So this is the sale analysis name with the quarter 1, 2, 3, and 4. I would like to convert this file into Word file by using online converter. So what I will do, I will go to the browser and I will search I love PDF. So I already searched it. The first one, if I click this one, it will open another window. So you can see there are loads of options here, and this is 100% free to use. I click this one, PDF to Word file. If I click this one, it's asking to select the PDF file. If I click this one and select my required PDF file, my required PDF file is ESV71. Open, and it will select my PDF file. On the right hand side, it's giving the two options, no OCR with OCR. What's the difference in both? If your PDF file have some scanned text or images, by using the OCR, you'll be able to convert those scanned images into Word file in editable text. So I don't have any scanned images, so I will just use the no OCR option. So this is free to use. I'll just click convert to Word, and it will start converting my file into Word file, and it will download automatically, and it will show notification on top right hand side. You can see ESV71. If I click this one, so now it will open the Word file which has converted. So if I just press enable editing, now you can see it has converted the exact PDF data into Word file. If I just cross check with the PDF file, so I will open my PDF file and double check. I'll go to the location ESV71, and this is the data in PDF file, and this is the Word file with this similar data. So this is how you can convert by using online converter. Let's discuss second method to convert PDF file into Word file by using manual method. So this is my file ESV71. So I will right click here, and you can see open with. So it's showing me different apps. If I choose another app, and now so I need to select Word, so it's showing me Word. If it's not showing you, then you can browse apps in the Microsoft Store, so then you can select the Word. So I will select this one and press just once, and now it will start converting my PDF file into Word file. It's asking me convert your PDF to editable Word document. This may take a while. The resulting document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text. So it might take a longer, depends on the how much data you have in your PDF file. So if I press OK, so I don't have much data. So now it has converted my data into Word file in a matter of few seconds. It might take longer, depends on the data and the formatting type as well. It might ruin a little bit formatting and you might need to adjust it, but it will convert majority of your data along with formatting in Word file. So hit the like button if you like this video, and let me know guys which method is more helpful. I'll see you guys in next video.